For millions of years, countless beings on this planet have looked up at the sky. Ever since humanity first walked the earth, we've gazed at the stars, searching for meaning. Sometimes we saw comets as signs of disaster. Other times we saw planets as gods. But today, when we look up, we might be witnessing one of the most critical moments in our history, because this time what we're seeing isn't just another celestial object. Its name is 3I Atlas. And this name has sent ripples of both excitement and deep unease through the world of astronomy. Why? Because 3I Atlas is an interstellar traveler. It comes from beyond our solar system. That alone makes it far more significant than the thousands of asteroids and comets we track every year. These interstellar visitors are incredibly rare. Humanity has only confirmed a few. Remember 2017? We had Oumuamua. Its strange, elongated shape, its unusual brightness, and its weird changes in speed split the scientific community right down the middle. Some were adamant it was a natural object, while others dared to speculate it could be a probe from an alien civilization. Then in 2019, the comet Borisov arrived. It seemed more normal, behaving like a typical comet, but it too was a visitor from the vast darkness between stars. And now 3I Atlas has taken the stage. But this time it's not just a visitor from afar, it's unpredictable. It's defying our expectations and moving in ways that challenge our fundamental understanding of physics. Looking back at cosmic warnings in history can be a sobering exercise. In 1908, a massive explosion over Siberia's Tunguska region flattened nearly 2,000 square kilometers of forest. A small celestial object had fragmented in our atmosphere. More recently, in 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia. A rock just 20 meters across shattered windows and injured over 1,000 people. 3I Atlas, however, is far, far larger and infinitely more unpredictable. From the very moment it was discovered, telescopes all over the world turned to face it. At first, it looked like just another comet. But very soon, astronomers detected extraordinary changes in its speed. Normally, an interstellar object would follow a predictable path, pulled by the sun's immense gravity. But 3I Atlas, it wasn't playing by the rules. Its speed increased by a staggering 300%, and this acceleration wasn't smooth. At times, it would suddenly surge by 30 to 40 kilometers per second in just a few moments. This led scientists to ask a chilling question. Is 3I Atlas a natural object, or is it something being consciously controlled? NASA, the European Space Agency, and independent observatories all recorded these bizarre movements. The Hubble telescope tracked its sudden, dramatic changes in brightness. The James Webb Space Telescope analyzed the gases and dust swirling around it. And the giant observatories in Chile measured every tiny deviation in its trajectory. All the data pointed to a single unsettling conclusion: 3I Atlas is unpredictable. The initial explanations were what you might expect. Scientists suggested that jets of gas, common in comets as they heat up near the sun, could be pushing it. But the forces measured were far too extreme for that to be the whole story. Another theory proposed that radioactive elements deep inside its core were causing it to heat up internally, creating unexpected emissions. But again, this couldn't explain the rapid, erratic bursts of speed. And then came the most controversial idea of all. What if 3I Atlas is artificial? A probe, a reconnaissance vessel, or maybe even part of some larger, unknown structure? As you can imagine, this hypothesis split the scientific community. It's a spectacular claim, and it would require spectacular evidence. But the unpredictability of 3I Atlas wasn't just about its speed. Its orbit was also irregular and chaotic. Computer simulations, trying to map its future path, began to show something truly alarming. If it continued on this trajectory, 3I Atlas could make a dangerously close approach to Earth by late 2025 or early 2026. Some models estimated a 2 to 5% chance of collision. That number might sound small, but when you're talking about an impact on a planetary scale, even a tiny percentage is devastating. This unprecedented situation triggered alarms not just among scientists, but also among world leaders. NASA and ESA focused all of their observational resources on 3I Atlas. Behind closed doors, nations held secret meetings to plan for the worst. They discussed potential interventions, strategies like deflection missions where we'd try to push it off course, or even more drastic nuclear options. They even considered gravitational tug methods, using a spacecraft's own gravity to gently pull it into a new orbit. The problem was 3I Atlas's incredible speed and erratic behavior made all of these approaches dangerously uncertain. Watching 3I Atlas isn't just about tracking a potential asteroid impact. It's a profound reminder of our place in the universe. It's a test of our collective will. We know that even a rock just a few kilometers wide can threaten life as we know it on Earth. But this fragility is not the same as helplessness. Human creativity, collaboration, and courage are our greatest assets when facing a challenge like this. As we continue to observe 3I Atlas, we have to balance our fear with curiosity and vigilance. This might be the first time in history that all of humanity faces a shared cosmic threat with a single, unified consciousness. It's possible that by 2026, we will be celebrating our survival, our technology, and our collaboration. Or perhaps that year will mark a countdown to the most critical moments in the story of our species. Either way, our eyes will remain fixed on the skies. 3I Atlas isn't just a potential disaster, it's a teacher. It reminds us of the sheer vastness of the universe, our own smallness within it, and the immense untapped potential of collective human effort. By observing, by analyzing, and by preparing, we may not only protect our planet, but we might also expand our understanding of the cosmos in ways we never thought possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this journey into the unknown as fascinating as I did, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. Stay curious.